Hi everyone, today we're going to talk to you about the new race pass that's coming in from British Triathlon. Obviously they've made some pretty big changes and we've had a number of questions from our clients around how we're going to handle those changes. The good news is that we've automated the process, so there will be no additional admin on your side, and in fact we actually think there'll be reduced workload compared to the process that they use today. Now what we're going to show you here is a demo of how a participant will enter an event that is affiliated to British Triathlon and either buy the race pass or enter their BTF number if they're already a member. So what I'm showing you here is a typical landing page of an event using the eventrac platform. This is a demo triathlon event, just to give you an idea of how things will work. So the first thing we'll do is we'll click on the Enter Now button, which will open up the entry form. And now what we're going to do is select one ticket to the Olympic distance. And here's the entry form, which will be familiar to many of you. So if I now just quickly enter my details, so now down here we have the new question asking me if I'm a BTF member, which is a simple yes or no. If I select yes, you can see that it would ask me to provide my BTF membership number, which we will then ultimately verify with British Triathlon Federation. If I select no, then it's going to ask me to select a race pass. Now this is a mandatory question, and if I try and skip it, the system will make sure that I can't. Now I have to select the race pass that I would like. So in this case, I'm going to select adult race pass, and you can see now it's added an £8 item to my basket, and it's asking me if I would like to receive communications from British Triathlon Federation. On clicking proceed, we'll go through to the basket and then ultimately into the checkout. Now here's the really cool part and the bit that was really tricky to develop. What we're doing is we're now splitting the transaction between British Triathlon and the event organiser. So when you're collecting the race pass fee, we're actually sending that straight to British Triathlon, and your money for the event will come straight to you as it does today. Now this brings a number of benefits to you as the event organiser. The first being that if for whatever reason a participant were to issue a chargeback on the race pass, i.e. maybe they didn't recognise it on their card statement, or they couldn't go and they felt that they should be issued a refund, then that chargeback will be handled by British Triathlon Federation and not yourself. Similarly, if that participant can't go and they need a refund, that is something that you can issue, but the money will be reversed from the British Triathlon Federation account. So in both cases, it makes your accounting much easier. You're not handling money which isn't your own, and you're not going to have to pass money to British Triathlon Federation after the event. Now, if we quickly go on and finish the process, I'll just enter some dummy card details. What the system's done now is it's paid two different accounts, so the event organiser and also British Triathlon Federation. And from here I can go through to my booking, where I can then clearly see that I've entered the event and also ordered the race pass. What will also happen for the participant is they will receive the usual confirmation email for your event entry, and also an email from British Triathlon Federation just confirming the purchase of the race pass. Now the other thing to show you is what it will look like to you as the organiser of the event. So here we can see a list of sign-ups to this demo triathlon event that we've just looked at. And if I click on manage of the sign-up we just made, if we scroll down, now we can clearly see the associated race pass purchase. If I click view order here, what I can do now is I can view more information, and I can also issue a refund on behalf of British Triathlon Federation. Now the British Triathlon Federation can also see the information relating to the race pass, the name of the participant, their address and which event they're going to. So they have all that information as well. So it means you should never have to be passing any details, either personal details or financial details, to British Triathlon Federation. If you have any questions or would like help setting this up, simply contact us at support@eventrac.co.uk and one of our team will be waiting to help.